Hello. Today I'd like to show you how to use the Rentometer batch processor. This tool allows our pro customers to process up to 500 properties at one time. To begin, all you need to do is log in to rentometer.com. From there, you can choose the products from the main menu and then click on the batch processor link. This will take you to an information page. From here, click on the Get Started button and it will take you right to the tool. The input file should be in a CSV format. This sample file that I'm opening now shows you the address required field as well as a bedrooms and baths field. That is all that you need to use as an input. Notice here that in my address field I do have the address all in one field. We will address how to use input files that have the address in separate fields later on. But for now, all we need to do is just drag this sample file over into our drop location. From here, it tells you that the batch processor requires the entire address to be in a single field. If it is, you can click skip. So we're going to do that right now, is skip that step. From here, we can just map our address, our bedrooms, and our bathrooms. Our input field happens to have the correct naming convention. So now we can just click on next. On this window here, you can add any other additional columns that you would like to be attached to the output. So you might want a temp ID, maybe a previous price, or square footage. And once you've chosen up to 5 fields, you hit confirm. Now all we have to do is name our file, choose your duration. I'm going to pick 6-month look back, and I'm going to pick house. This tool uses quick views, and you can see here that I have a balance, and you can purchase more from this point if you need them. Now I just have to click on process, and it's going to again make sure I confirm that I'm using 15 quick views. Do note that if any of these do not complete, they will not charge you the quick view credit. So here we have it has finished, and we can download the file. So let's go ahead and take a look at the file we just downloaded. So here you can see the address that we used. It has the longitude and latitude so that you can actually map these addresses if you'd like to. It has the house, the look back of the 6 months that we chose. It gives you the mean, median, min and max prices. And it also gives you a quick view URL. We'll go back to that in a second. And it will also append those three columns that I had picked at the beginning. So here, if you want, you can click on your quick view URL and it will take you to a quick view just as if you had entered it through the web interface. From here, we can click on View Pro Report. And you can look at all of the details in the Pro Report and also download comps from here. So that's a nice feature to have the quick view URL available right within the file that you download. From here, I'm going to show you another nice feature about the batch tool, and that is we can view history. And from here, you can see the file that we just created. Now, if I wanted to do the same file again, I can view this batch, pick Recalculate, rename this, whatever I want to call it. So we'll call it April 3-month. And so now instead of a 6-month look back, I can do a 3-month look back and pick houses again and then process the same exact file. This is really nice because if you have a portfolio of properties, you're able to assess them as you need to throughout the year and using different kinds of filters. I would like to show you one other example, and that's if you have your address in separate fields. So this file here, I'm going to open and show you that this is a little more complicated input file, and it has the address, city, state in separate fields. So we're going to process this one. So again, we're just going to drag this file over into our upload area. And so here, since they're in separate fields, what I need to do is pick the address, pick the city, and pick the state. And this is going to combine those three fields into one address for you. Notice here too, it did not automatically match because, one, we want to pick the merged address and not the address field that was in the file. And also the bedrooms field does not match, so we have to select it. So in this case, the file called it total bedrooms, and the same thing for bathrooms. It's total bathrooms. So we're making sure that the connection is correct. And now we can hit next to process the file. Go to the next step. So here we can again pick a list number, pick any other kinds of fields you might want to add, high price say, and then hit confirm. And now again, you're ready to go. You have to just pick your look back and your building type and name it. And then you're ready to process. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you have further comments or questions, you can send an email to support@rentometer.com. Thank you.